So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base ecosystem dog theme meme coin. Its name is Tozen Me. I will share you all further details in this video. That is this dog theme meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Can we see its listing on Binance or not? Video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer here. Token mint current price 3.3 times $0.99, pumped by 33% here. Max chart, you can see friends, also looking good. Okay, almost two times this coin has break its all-time high. This is amazing performance from this coin. Last 7 days 122% pump, so this is amazing. It's just because entire market is again bullish. Meme coins are pumping, so that's why this is good. $66.9 million market. Friends, market is amazing because still this coin is not listed on tier 1 central exchanges. No Binance Coinbase listing for this coin yet, but market is good. $54.6 million trading volume, huge trading volume for this coin. Also 69 billion coin supply, 67 billion in circulation. Best ecosystem meme coin, you can see friends, dog theme meme coin in best ecosystems. This is amazing. We are only 44% down than its all-time high. Okay, that was March 25th last year, as we have many meme coins that are still 90 to 95% down than their all-time highs, but this coin only 44% down than its all-time high. It means this is very bullish. Coin has already killed 3 0 since its launching. Okay, so this is amazing performance from this coin. I can see friends, so it's listed in Coinbase but not on Binance yet. I can see friends, Coinbase, KuCoin has listed, and CoinX is listed, MEXC has listed, XT.com has already listed this coin, Arbit has listed, Weeks is listed. So already used central exchange listing for this coin, but because Coinbase is listed this coin, so that's why this is major central exchange listing for this coin. You can check out all further details here on their website about tokenomics, and coin is launched in 2022 February, and all further details here that you can buy this coin in these exchanges where this coin is listed. Coinbase is listed this coin in sport, MEXC sport and MEXC futures. If you not have CoinX and MEXC account yet, I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can see friends detail 69 billion token supply, and this fair launch developed on BES, that is Ethereum layer 2. So this is good. LPs burn, zero buying selling text for this coin, how to bridge to BES. They are already priced all details here, including this contract address. If you wanna buy this coin from any best DEX, so you can also buy from there. So friends, now my price prediction about this dog theme meme coin base ecosystem is definitely, as coin is already listed in Coinbase, so maybe if we see a massive season for base ecosystem meme coins, at that time Binance will also list base ecosystem coins, because still Braid is not on Binance, Toshi is not on Binance yet. Both are Coinbase listed meme coins, and this one is also Dogecoin mine also listed in Coinbase but not on Binance. But in future maybe it's possible, maybe in this coming few months we can see Braid and Toshi and this coin listing on Binance too. At that time, in short term, maybe this coin can reach at least 300 to maybe $400 million market, but in long term, in super cycle meme coins mega bullion, this is $1 billion market coin. My price prediction for this is 3 to maybe $5 billion here. Okay friends, it's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin, and only 1 year ago coin is launched here. $66 million market, amazing, and $54 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Trading volume is also amazing, and it's possible that we can see this coin in long term from just 66 million up to 3 to $5 billion here. What's your price prediction? You can comment down below.